demonstration of BBMF in all their glory. The Hurricane and Spitfire split, I will renege on what I said. Our VIP passengers for Just Jane, if you will go to the Just Jane tent near the simulator, please. They will check you in, work out whether you want the fish or the chicken course and which movie you would like. VIP passengers for Just Jane, please go to the tent near the simulator.
Going up to Peter Innocent, we need you at the St John's now, please. Peter Innocent to the first aid point, the St John's ambulance now, please. Thanks, Peter. Yes, we can't keep it colder much longer.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a wave as they come past the Spitfire and Hurricane of Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Sheer perfection.
Catch an aeroplane. Look, you can.
Oh, okay. Football.
This is different. This is different. Yep, this is Fabregas. And
this is incredible. Here's the Jackaroo with Trisha flying.
some sort of
and the Tiger Moth, the Brooklands Tiger Moth.
Look, out goes the ball and. Yeah.
Oh dear.
I can see another game here. We could use this.
Okay.
Gradually.
Long shot at goal and okay. Now then,
Queen Bee.
The Queen Bee with a good shot at goal. Get it over to the right a little bit and let it go to the goal post. Come on, Trish. Show them how to do it.
Come on, Trish. Oh, the Tiger. Interesting style.
I'm just wondering. Oh no, he's got a blue ball. Yellow ball. Okay, extra time now. Just fly amongst yourselves. And oh, hang on, there's one down the other end.
Come on down there, go for it, Trish, go for it.
Oh wow!
And Emerald, no, I think he must fly like wings, and it doesn't play football.
Behind you, Chipmunk.
Oh yes.
Oh.
Be nice and slow.
And low. Under the washing line. The first one. Do you do both of them, Ken?
Oh, yes.
Whoa.
Beautifully done. Oh, that's back in the middle. It's Trish.
Up, no polish in the grass. She's going underneath and...
Oh, incredible.
Is she going to do both? No, it's the one. We've only got the one line at home.
Here we go.
Is having a go.
Oh, about time.
He found the down stick. Oops. Up and up.
No, change.
Our fault. Did you know this chipmunk was the last one that Jeffrey de Havilland flew?
Where did you get that from?
Oh, a friend of mine told me. But he flew it actually a bit lower than that. Up the washing line. Is he going to go for it?
He's going to go for the second one, though, isn't he, Chuck?
Hey.
The Queen Bee can do here.
Got a choice. Oh.
Right, I'll go for this one instead.
Hey.
Right, that one as well.
In this day and age, we're probably going to find there's a foundation.
Oh, yellow one. Is a yellow one. Is a yellow one. Oh, see, he's got away with it again.
Emerald's going for it.
No. Oh. Okay, solitary one. The orange one is going to, was it red? It's going to be, oh, he's got it. Another one. Well, these are all going somewhere exotic. As I say, they've got little labels tied to them. They're £1 each. And no, don't pull up those. Just belong to the children in the crowd. Don't pop those.